Hey, what's up? The baby's sleeping. Well, Layla is right here, but Layla say hi, friends. Yeah, Layla just wake up, but Zara sleeping. And what other baby name again? Eden sleeping, Ava sleeping. So I just had to sneak away though and get in this time because there's a song that has been on my heart from Friday morning. I get up and it just like hold me, people. I'm no singer, but if the facts are against me sing, you must know. I'm going to ask Tina if she's up to it later, if she will bless and grace us with her beautiful voice and see if we can get that song done properly. But here's how. This is my interpretation. Don't grade me. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. The reason I said that, guys, because if I tell you how much God has been providing and just showing up in the past week, the past weeks, it amazed me. And the whole point of this channel is to, yeah, you've seen our lives, but I want you to see God and God's work through us. So I have to use the opportunity to just show you guys just how much God has been providing, how much He has been steps ahead. You know, even at the hospital, something simple like Tina, the last time she had a C-section, she got juke in her back probably 10 times before they could find, anesthesiologist could find the right top for her spine. This time is one time, you know. The babies with the jaundice, yeah, you may be saying every baby, you know, have jaundice or whatever. I got a call this morning which told me that there was another baby that was delivered a couple days before us. Yes, the baby had jaundice, but it led to complications which saw the baby's heart stop. And the baby is not as responsive right now. So yeah, you may take it for granted that, oh, is this, and you know, it's a routine thing, pregnancy. I looked up a list of stuff that could go wrong in pregnancy, from high blood pressure to gestational diabetes to all those things. And you know how much Tina had? She had 0 problems. And these complications happen routinely for a single pregnancy. Tina has gone through 2 twin pregnancies successively. I know the total problems and complications that she had is 0. But your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Not a singer, but your goodness is running after, it's running after me. And all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that we are able, we will sing of the goodness of God. We will sing of the goodness of God. me show you some other things that I just know say God have him hand on us. Come me show you. Last week I got a call. Somebody brought a package. It had 3 cases of wipes and 3 cases of diapers. Got another call later in the week, and we received these 2 packs of Enfamil Neuro Pro. This is what we use for the babies. Alright. You see them pack here? These packs have 2 pouches each, which is like a refill for this. This is saving us probably $12,000 at least. It may have cost a person less to buy it because they know that it's a value or super saver refill pack. But if we were to buy 4 pouches of this, it would be over $3,000 a pop. So that alone is savings. But wait, there's more. So yeah, man, I tell you, say, everywhere we're just seeing the goodness of God. Look at this mango ripening. Maybe not this one quite. Well, look at this one trying to hide. Look at that one trying to hide. Getting a nice ripe on it. Yeah. So this is just also testimony to the goodness of God. But showing it in the car. So got another call yesterday to pick up some things. And again, look at that. The good powder gold for our babies. Enfamil, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tins. Pampers, a case of Pampers wipe. Diapers. A case of Pampers diapers. And a case of baby wipes. I tell me say God not providing, that God not good. It's actually the same way for Layla and Zara. You know, the first set of twins that we had so many things provided to us through God, through people. I don't even remember how much pairs of shoes we ever buy or clothes we ever buy for Layla and Zara, because we just kept getting and getting and getting. God just kept providing. The reason I'm saying this is because from Layla and Zara's time, when I told the person I'll be having a twin from the first twins, some reactions were positive and some of them were like, boy, I'm gonna never bless you bless or salty salt, or something like to Tina when she had the second set of twins, the anesthesiologist who was doing the operation said to her, so why did you stay yourself? You know, with this whole trepidation and fear and, you know, oh my gosh, what are you guys going to do? But yes, I work, but I am not the provider, you know. Jehovah Jireh is. And Psalm 23 says, as I told you, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. And the song says, your goodness is running. It's like it's a chase. His goodness is chasing you. It's definitely chasing us, guys. And I want to say thanks to God, thanks to the people who have given the transfers, the wipes, the diapers, the Enfamil. Thank you for allowing God to use you. And thank you for allowing us to see the goodness of God through you. And Tina tell me not to preach, I'm not going to preach, but I don't know what it is for you, you know, guys. I don't know where you are, what situation you have. But God's goodness will take you through. Believe me. From experience, I tell you. God's goodness is enough and it will take you through. Anyway, we're going to see if we can get the song done, see if I can ask Tina to do it, and if she will oblige us. And I'm going to run to get some food now, actually, because I'm not cooking today. Tired, that's a different story, different day, but tired till it's not the baby them fault, really. They are brilliant babies, they just have to eat every 3 hours. Found Tina, and she said she's going to do the song with me because I'm not the singer, but when we come together we sound alright-ish. In the background, there's chicken frying, fish frying, knives and things, but we're just going to go through. And hope it bless you. When it finished, you don't know, big up from me and my house. But listen to the rendition and just think of something that you can thank God for and just realize how good He has been, guys. Alright?
I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fail me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, darkest nights. You are close like no other. I have known you as a father, known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness